Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can set a live wallpaper into your windows and you want to make a video as a wallpaper for your windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So currently my desktop background is not a it's not a live wallpaper. This is not moving. Now I want to have a wallpaper which is in motion or which is moving. So I am going to download an application for that. And here's what you can do. In the Windows search bar, type here Store. So just follow me for the process. Best Match Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the search bar, just type Lively Wallpaper. Then hit Enter. Now you'll find the first option. You just have to click on that. This is a free and open source software that allows users to set animated and interactive desktop wallpapers. Click on that. This has also high ratings and garnered a lot of stars. Now you have to click on this Get button. And we're just going to wait for this to be downloaded and installed into our Windows. So let's just wait for this. Now once this is done, simply close the Microsoft Store window and let's confirm if we have installed the application. So in the Windows search bar, type here Lively and that will appear under the best match. Then go ahead and click on that. Now by default, there are a list of lively wallpaper right here or live wallpaper that you can use as a wallpaper for your windows. So if you like any of these options right here, then you can just simply click on these three dots and then select set as wallpaper. However, if you want to use your own video as a live wallpaper for your windows, then click on this plus sign symbol at the top, add wallpaper. Then here you can choose a file from your Windows. So just simply click on this. And you can also use a YouTube URL. Let's say for example this URL and you want to set this as a wallpaper for your Windows. So this is a video, a YouTube video, and you want to use this as a wallpaper. Or if you have any other video in the YouTube that you like, just copy the URL and then simply click on this enter URL and click on this arrow. Now let's see. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on OK. And now let's see in our desktop if the wallpaper has been changed. So here, as you can see, we have a video wallpaper which is from YouTube. So you can also do this for your Windows and it's very beautiful. It's very interactive to look at. So you can also do this. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.